Anna, a fellow YouTuber and friend, came to help me plaster one of two walls I still have to plaster in the guest apartment's living room. I put this room on hold to be able to finish the hallway and bedroom. As they are 95% done now, I really wanted to get started here again. Anna, she lives in a neighboring village and is renovating a small cottage on her own. She's really hardcore on recycling and reusing things. She buys as little new things as possible, which is amazing. So as a reminder, I stripped this wall of wallpaper, repaired loose lime plaster, and then rendered a layer of Marmorino primer, which is necessary as the wallpaper glue clogs the pores and this lime render won't stick very well. So here we are, final step before I can paint this wall. I still have one wall to go though.
Särskilt när man har mick.
Last night, I dreamt that I was with you in the sugar blue water, and your big strong hands, crying out like a baby. Once I knew I was asleep, hoping that just maybe it was real this time. A little rain begins to fall down. Wash it away and see what stays around. And round we go now. I lay my eyes at you laying by my side. Radio loud. Yeah, we get wet with the top down. But I don't care, as long as I got you right here with me. I don't know ways to leave in miracles, but I always wish on a shooting star. Yeah, we never spoke of it, we never did go too far. I just wanted to tell you that you're perfect as you are. A little rain begins to fall down. Wash it away and see what stays around. And round we go now. I lay my eyes at you laying by my side. Radio loud. Yeah, we get wet with the top down. But I don't care, as long as I got you right here with me. I don't care, as long as I got you right here. A little rain begins to fall down. Wash it away and see what stays around. And round we go now. I lay my eyes at you laying by my side. Radio loud. Yeah, we get wet with the top down. But I don't care, as long as I got you right here with me.
I've taken this window down again because it doesn't close properly. And that's my fault because when I repaired this bit here and there, I had to make new slots for the hinges and I guess they just need some adjusting. I've already done that with this one, but looks like it was too much because now it's too tight. And up there it's too loose, so I'm gonna have to make this one come out a little bit and that one to go in a little bit. And that's what I'm doing today during my lunch hour. So I better be quick. So my friend Kaylee from Canada, she's doing a Sweden tour to visit friends, and she's here for a short visit. And I'm giving you a tour of the garden.
And I got to pick up a chicken.
Oh, she let you?
Yeah, one of them did, but now they don't want to be picked up anymore.
I brought some carrots so we can feed the horses. Should we try to jump over the fence here or something? Easier when you have... Yes! And that's how you climb a fence.
So good. Want this one? You gonna take a big bite?
What?
On. Money. Flamingo. Flygor. Ja, nice. Och du, vill du ha den här? Så, nej. Inte mina.
Akta staketet.
You kind of have to put it in there. He doesn't know where it's going.
Oh no, I lost my shoe. Whew.
Du då?
Finish your food before you get another bite.
Maybe I should just throw this one. If it's gonna be a
Throw it
issue.
far away and see who runs fastest.
Ready?
Oh, they missed it. Ooh.
Det där borta.
Hello! That must have been made by a really good chef. But it's out of focus. Wow. But it's it's like swimming. Now I'm gonna screw back the hardware and paint them a few times before I paint more layers of these sashes. The screw that was here was really rusty, so I drilled a lot in here and then I banged into some new wood. That's why I had to drill a new hole. So now it's ready to be screwed in. So if there has been some moisture where the screw is, the hole has become bigger. So what I've been advised to do is to put small pieces of wood in the hole to make the screw attach properly. That's why I always test a little bit like this to see if I can push it all the way in. It's not gonna work. Like this one I can push pretty far in without any resistance. So if I squeeze this little guy in there, come on. use the screw to push it even further in. Then it's gonna meet some real resistance when I screw it in. It needs to be good quality wood, otherwise it won't last very long. This one seemed quite hopeless. I've done some repairs here. All of this is new, and then 2 bits here. So, but it's so uneven, and I'm gonna add some linseed oil putty in between here so it's more watertight underneath there. Otherwise I feel like it's gonna rust in no time.